Consecutive Conundrums, Unraveling Integer Word Problems. Hey there! Welcome to our deep dive into the world of arithmetic word problems. Today, we're going to tackle a particularly interesting topic: consecutive integer problems. If you've ever been puzzled by questions asking about a sequence of numbers, then you're in the right place. Consecutive integers are numbers that come one after the other in order. For example, 3, 4, and 5 are 3 consecutive integers. Another important point is that they can be positive or negative. So, -1, 0, and 1 are also consecutive integers. But remember, integers don't have decimal places. So, 1.5 isn't an integer, but 1 and 2 are. In GMAT and GRE, you might come across problems framed like: a sum of 3 consecutive integers is 63. Find the integers. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, we're about to make it simple. Let's use the previous problem as our example. 1. Assign a variable. Let's assume the first integer is x. Therefore, the next ones would be x plus 1 foot and x plus 2 feet. 2. Set up the equation. According to the problem, their sum is 63. So, our equation becomes x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 63. 3. Solve the equation. Combining like terms, you'll get 3x plus 3 equals 63. 3x equals 60. X equals 20. This means the 3 consecutive integers are 20, 21, and 22. 1. Always assign a variable to the first integer. It helps in setting up the equation. 2. Use x plus 1 foot, x plus 2 feet. This pattern helps to represent consecutive integers. 3. Double-check your solution. Once you find the integers, plug them back into the problem to verify. And there you have it. A straightforward approach to consecutive integer problems. With a bit of practice, you'll soon find these questions to be a breeze. Remember, math is just a puzzle waiting for you to solve it. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll master the art of solving these problems. Until next time, happy studying!